Everyone says you need video, confidence, and strong on-camera presence to win in content marketing. That is not true. Some of the most effective strategies require none of that. Start with writing. Platforms like LinkedIn reward clear, thoughtful posts that solve real problems. No camera needed. Next, use visual content without showing your face. With tools like Canva, you can create simple carousels, infographics, and guides that communicate value quickly. Then, build an email list. Email allows you to connect directly with your audience in a controlled, quiet environment where your message is not competing with endless distractions. You can also repurpose ideas into different formats. A written post becomes a graphic. A graphic becomes a short caption. One idea, multiple outputs. Here is the key. Content marketing is not about being seen. It is about being understood. For introverts, this is an advantage. You can take your time, refine your message, and publish with intention. You do not need to perform. You need to communicate clearly and consistently. That is what actually drives results.